Good day, my name is Claire Turner and I'm going to be dealing with the topic of conciliations. At the CCMA and bargaining councils, disputes are handled in a twofold process. Firstly, conciliation, and then the second step is arbitration, which is the final step. As I mentioned, I'm going to be dealing with the conciliation process. It's important to remember that the conciliation process is handled in an informal manner. A commissioner will be assigned and will sit down with both parties with an attempt to resolve the dispute. No legal representation is allowed at the conciliation. The employee, or better known as the applicant, can be represented by a fellow employee, a shop steward, or a union official from a registered trade union. With regard to the employer, better known as the respondent, they can be represented by someone within the company, a director, the owner of the company, or represented by an official from a registered employers organization like CEO. The conciliation process is without prejudice, which means anything that's discussed or negotiated during the conciliation cannot be used against either party at a later stage. The proceedings are also not recorded, and the commissioner has no power to make a decision at this stage. Once the matter is referred to the CCMA or bargaining council, they have 30 days to try and resolve that dispute, which means the conciliation is normally set down in that time period. Commissioner, as I mentioned earlier, will try to resolve the dispute, but if they are unsuccessful, a certificate of non-resolution is then issued. That means, depending on the nature of the dispute, the matter will then proceed to arbitration, or it could be referred to the Labour Court. If at conciliation parties agree on a settlement, the Commissioner will facilitate the process by drawing up a settlement agreement. Once both parties are happy with the terms and conditions of that settlement agreement, it is signed and binding. That is the end of the case at the CCMA. It is our recommendation that once you receive a set-down notice, you refer it direct to your nearest CEO office and we will then guide you through the process. Please tune in next week for our next video.